Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay December 8, 2023, Friday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong December 8, 2023, Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Friday, December 8, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for December 8, 2023, Friday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 21 million pesos and Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 208 million pesos for Friday, December 8, 2023. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of December 8, 2023, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.